It's Vakefislav, and now the time has come for the second lesson of my free course Hardwired to Profit. Today we are looking at the 9 tests of selling. This is one of holy grails of Vyckoff's method for me. It shows you when to expect reversal, when it's good to go into the short position when it's time, because many times you will feel that market wanna go down, but it will be too early to enter and volatility just rob you another time. So let's check Bitcoin chart of the 21st year and check our test. Test 1. Price hits the PNF target. The upside objective is reached. Today I will show you a little bit of usage of PNF charts as a trading view. It's a little bit smaller than I need, so I go for 4 hours and find the place I need. Okay, we don't have previous information in PNF, but we have reaccumulation right there. We can count it and count the targets. For this I will measure from 0 to 0. We have 20 bars with volatility of 1500. Minimal target, when you add these 30 targets to the minimum of this 20 range, so it's 29,000, and maximum target, this line, it's like preliminary supply, it's 33,000. So we have targets from 59 to 63,000. Let return on the candle chart. I will show you that we are just come here 63,000 maximum. We reached maximum target. That means first tests are done. Second test, look at the volume, heavy on down days, light on up days, the bearish activity. It's more not about the days, it's about selling waves and buying waves. And we have selling waves and buying waves on the indicator down below. Here it's whole waves indicator, and we can see that we have strong uptrend, strong green waves, weak red waves. Last green is not strong at all, and second one, it's just manipulation to tops. It's no volume, no buying activity on the top. Then we have change of behavior after uptrust, so we have stronger red wave, weaker green wave. We have second test completed at this place because we already have stronger red wave and weaker green, stronger red and more weaker green. I hope you can see it here. Yeah, look at the indicator below. Selling activity is stronger than buying. The second test. We are right at a major resistance zone from previous track. We have a major resistance here as a top of a buying climax. It's right there. You can see it by the big green wave. Also, it's middle line of our upward channel of this distribution. So we are at the major resistance right there. Not right there. We probably couldn't reach this level. It's also middle of this small distribution on the top. So it's test number 3 already done. Test number 4. While the market still pushing up, this stock was already lagging. Relative weakness. Relative weakness to the market shown by comparative analysis versus the market index. In my case, it's S&P 500, and you can see on the indicator down below, it's higher than its moving average, and now it break down and can't get up, can't push through this line again. This show weakness. This is place where our test is done. Number 5. Support line is broken. It's okay confirmation. Because this is upward striding distribution and this channel is upward, this is our support, and finally this happens here when we break this level. Test number 6. Each pullback low is lower than the last falling support. Test number 7. Each rally high is lower than the last falling top. It's easy. Lower lows, lower highs. We don't have lower low here, but we have lower high here. We will have lower low here when we go down below this level. So when we break this support, we already make these 2 tests. And test number 8, before the break, price was moving sideways, the crown formation. I want to show you its perfect crown formation. Buying climax, shortening of the trust, uptrust after distribution, sign of weakness, LPSY. It looks like a perfect crown. It's just visually good confirmation. Measuring the PNF target gives us at least 3x risk. We can count this distribution. I wouldn't do it right now, but we go after this distribution to the 30,000 first, then we go even lower, but now we're just talking about this distribution because this is a very interesting case. That's all a big distribution, and which is containing inside one small distribution, one reaccumulation, and second small distribution. It's been done. You can check all these tests for this whole distribution as easy as you did for this big. Let me show you real quick. We have the same thing here. Complete PNF target, lower lows, lower high. Our relative strengths, we are weaker than the market. We have our down waves bigger than our up waves. Absolutely the same picture. And we have our support here. It's middle of the range. And we go out of this distribution. And today we have another distribution this type. So we have one distribution, reaccumulation, second distribution, and I have a homework for you. Give me in comments the date of Bitcoin have completed all the 9 tests of distribution. I will check in comments and check your answers. Also, I want to show you that it can be used not only in Bitcoin, it can be used in any market and even on relative strengths. The sun goes down, I have to go in a lighted rooms. I want to show you another example of the 9 tests. We have distribution on soybean future. We have accumulation here. It's target of 1775 and we get to 1781. It's fantastic precision. Sometimes it really surprising even me. Let's check our test. We completed our first test. We exceed our PNF target right there. We have a breakdown the relative strength wave. We are weaker than the market right there. Waves become stronger from the selling side. Stronger, weaker, stronger, weaker. Every red wave is stronger than every green wave. We have break our support, which is this blue line. It's from preliminary supply. It's already have a gap, and we retested it here. We break it. We go upper. We at resistance, and only at this place we already done all of the test except the test of the lower low. And I want to give you an idea about your expectations. For example, we can understand that if we break this level again, it will make a final lower low. So we can go in our position, for example, on a break of this support finally, we stop here and take much lower. This will be our investment from 1545 to 100. It's like 30% on the futures. It's very big amount. So that's your profit. And finally, I want to show you this stock. It's Credo Technology Group Holding. I think that's look very close and familiar to the distribution. Let's check. I counted before targets of this reaccumulation. It's 111. It's right there. We exceeded the final targets much higher than we have. We have pretty strong volatility, and let's check it one more time. Tests number 1 is done. PNF done. We have our buying climax, shortening of the trust, and uptrust after distribution. So we have increasing of selling at this wave, decreasing of buying at this wave, another one increasing of selling, decreasing of buying, increasing of selling, decreasing of buying. So that's our LPSY, that's our breakdown and test. I think we have 2 options, or we go higher here, something like that, to make ABC and go down, or we can go just straight for and make breakdown right there, returning to our tests. PNF target done, break the support done, increase of selling done, lower lows, lower highs done, weaker than the market done. So it's perfect place to short if you trade in short stock market and think that the market go down. It's a very good candidate to short. So this was my lesson about 9 tests for you. Subscribe my channel. This was my second lesson for you. I hope I done well. Tell me in comments what I can do better and make your homework. I will check it. And also I will make another update about S&P 500 very soon. Also, I've made video about trades which I expect to be in the next month. It's here. So stay tuned and may the profit be with you. Thank you.